Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on what has been going on these last few weeks here. So I was planning to make a few new videos for a while now, but I have been struggling with this stubborn cough that just wouldn't quit. I actually still have a small fit of coughing from time to time, but at least now I managed to string together more than a few words without sounding like a dying person. Despite the coughing fits, I did finish a few scripts for some upcoming reviews, so it's not all bad. Another thing that kept me busy was building this big fella here. It is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz W196R as driven by Argentine legend Juan Manuel Fangio. As you can see, it's not your average model car. This is a 1/8 scale diecast kit made by IXO from their Diamond Age collection. We're talking half a meter in length, weighing in at a solid 5 kilos and consisting of over 451 individual parts. It has taken me quite a few hours to build it, but the end result is pretty amazing if I say so myself. To give you an idea of the work I've put into the build, just take a look at the body. You see all these screws here? These are all screwed in by hand, and I have to say some of them I really had to wrestle them in, and there are about 1 million of those in this model car. The model is pretty detailed underneath, and the engine cover comes off too to reveal some of the details. In order to do that though, all of these screws here need to be removed. These winglets too need to be screwed off, as there are more screws of the engine cover that are hidden behind this small panel. The rest of the body is also removable by undoing the remaining screws. The level of detail on this big model is pretty good, although it could easily be even more detailed, I think. I'll admit that for once I'm glad that it's not, as I'm not an expert modeler and found building this kit was plenty challenging enough. In case you're wondering about its sheer size, here's how it compares to a 1/18th version of the same car, but the streamliner version done by CMC. So as you can see, it's a whole lot bigger of course, and about twice as long as the 1/18th version. Now, handling a model of this size and weight is not exactly very easy. I'm actually struggling a bit showing it off to the camera one-handed. The model does present very well though, and simply looks amazing once it's all set up and on display. So now I'm actually thinking about doing a full-on review of this mammoth model, and for this I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in having a deeper dive into this model, and I'll make it happen. Anyways, that'll do for this update. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming reviews I have planned in the near future. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the other content. Take care and bye bye.